it's Halton from Halton Food, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about winter garden prep. So with the temperatures getting really low at night, but still quite nice during the day, one of the things you can do is use a cloche to protect tender crops, such as your basil that will still grow, and you haven't had time to bring it inside. So what you're going to need, scissors, and an old 2-liter pop bottle. Essentially what you want to do is you want to create a teeny tiny hole, and then you're just going to cut off the bottom. You can use the bottom for saving some of your seeds. You can take your label off. Hopefully this label is recyclable. And then you have a cloche. So a cloche is essentially a dome that you can place over top of your plants. You want to do it at about, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's nice and sunny out. You put it over top, and what happens is it's going to trap a lot of the hot air around your plant. Make sure that your lid actually is just barely on. You do want some airflow to go through. If you have that on tightly, you're actually going to start cooking your plants. We definitely don't want that. So once it actually gets dark, you can tighten this down, leave this on overnight, and then come the morning time, you're going to see lots of dew and condensation on the inside from the plant respiring. But if it works, it's like a little mini greenhouse, and your plants will survive a little bit longer into the autumn.